I'm going to start out this lesson right away. Vowel sounds. Okay. A pronounced ah. E pronounced eh. I pronounced e. O pronounced oh. And U pronounced oo. Okay, so an example word would be like, if you're going to describe a cat, you might think it would say Nico, but instead it says Neko, because the E is pronounced as an S sound, like in men, for instance. Another good word would be like Nani. It means what in Japanese? Like a question. So in English it looks like it might be something like Nanai, but it's not. It's Nani. And the A is pronounced like it is in awesome. And the I is pronounced like ski. It's E. So, I hope that was intriguing. Intriguing. Yeah. Okay, so I'll go over this one last time to complete this first lesson. A is ah. E is eh. I is e. O is o. And U is oo. Practice those vowel sounds, and I'll teach you more in my next video. Peace out. Intriguing. Yeah.